Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Ford Torino Cobra Fastback with a 428 V8, C6 automatic transmission, 325 traction lock rear axle, power steering, power front disc brakes, electric brake power booster, bucket seats, painted steel wheels with small hubcaps, a deluxe Monte report showing 11,078 miles on the odometer in Meadowlark yellow with black interior with the 428 Cobra jet engine, estimated to sell at $35,000 to $45,000, and it sold for $46,200 at Mecum auctions in Dallas, Fort Worth on a Friday, October 31st, 2025, and it was a nice car. It was restored. It has bucket seats instead of the usual bench seat that these cars have. Still has a column shift, and the car was restored very nicely. Has some day 2 modifications. It's not restored back to stock, but overall it was a real nice car, and I have a copy of the Monte report. The car is one of 2,323 built with these engines and transmission codes. It's one of 519 with this paint code, one of 187 with these paint and trim codes, and it's one of 8,562 with power front disc brakes for the 1969 Cobra two-door sports roof, which is what this is. It was sold new at Barkhauser Motors, Danville, Virginia. It's also equipped with the following features: electric clock, visibility group, F70 by 14 wide oval belted white sidewall tires, power front disc brakes, power steering, AM radio, rear seat speakers, and deluxe belts with warning light. And it was built on September 27, 1968, 3 days behind schedule. And some more information I have here. The door data plate information is a 1969A built at Atlanta, 46 Cobra two-door sports roof, Q 428 4-barrel Cobra jet non-ram air V8 engine, and paint code is W, Meadowlark yellow paint. Interior is CA, black vinyl bucket seats, and has a 350 conventional rear axle. So it came with a open rear axle, a 350 ratio. And now it has a 325 traction lock rear axle that I would guess the drag racer Milo Coleman put in there instead of the one-wheel peel. But that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Ford Torino Cobra Fastback with a 428 Cobra jet engine with a C6 automatic transmission, 325 traction lock rear axle, power steering, power front disc brakes, electric brake power booster, bucket seats, painted steel wheels with small hubcaps. It has a copy of the deluxe Monte report. It's in Meadowlark yellow with black interior, and it shows 11,078 miles on the odometer. And the car was previously owned by Drag Racing Hall of Famer Milo Coleman. But that's today's featured car of the day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you could share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.
Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.